side. I wasn't always like this, 16 and naive, a good kid. My mom and dad never saw it coming, but now I'm stuck in the trenches, crawling through my consequences. I guess it's time I stopped running. I won't blame you if you walk away, but won't you stay? I got a battle here to fight. Don't know if I'll ever see the light, but won't you stay? I don't need much from you tonight. Just tell me you'll meet me there alive on the other side. On the other side.